Hello, and today I will show you how to download JourneyMap on the newest version on Minecraft. So first off, you go to this link that I've linked down in the description, or you just go to this site and search JourneyMap. And when you're here, you press versions, and then you take game versions and 26.2, and we will take this down here, the fabric one, instead of the Neoforge. This is more popular. We press download, and then we go press this one, and we press Fabric API. And we go versions, we take the newest one here and download. And then we go to Google and search Fabric Minecraft, or we can search on this website. I've linked down in the description. And we press this big blue button here and this download for Windows button. We have it. Now we go to Fabric Installer and press. Then we take the newest version right here and we press install. It has been successfully been installed. So now we open up Minecraft. So after we open up the Minecraft, we see down here it says Fabric 26.2, and we will press on installations, and we will take this folder right here, open installation folder. And here we go to, this is the Minecraft folder, and we will go down to mods. And inside here, we will copy these two right here. Copy these two we just downloaded, Fabric API and JourneyMap. And we will put them inside here, paste. And now we just press play. I understand the risk, play. So now we can go into single player or multiplayer or your realm or whatever you want. We will go into single player. I will just show you this. So here it says JourneyMap, press J. And if we press here, we can see how the map looks. We can add night, biome. We have a lot of cool things we can show here. And you see up here, the map. This looks really cool. It will, if I go down, it will probably show some mobs. Oh, so you see here, we have a lot of mobs right here. So if I need a sheep or maybe a cow, I can just look up here. Oh, a cow, and I search for it. Oh, here it is. Oh, this was actually a pig. I didn't realize, but you get the idea. Like, oh, here up is a chicken. I need chicken. Then I just run towards this, and I will probably just see a chicken right there. Yeah, he's right here. So this is a very nice mod you can use. Here I have a lava pool. Here I have some cool structure. You can play around with this mod, and you will probably find and do very cool things with it. I really like this mod. Hope you also like this mod, and the tutorial was good. If you like the video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.